Hi everyone. So today we'll be solving the weekly contest 360. So this is the first problem. You are given a string moves of length n consisting of only characters l, r, and underscore. So the string represents your movement from number line starting from 0. Okay. So in the ith move, what we can choose is we can move to left if moves of I is l, or moves of I is underscore, and we can move to right if moves of I is r, or moves of I is underscore. Okay, so we have to return the distance from the origin of the furthest point, that is the maximum point we can go from our origin. Okay, so what is the question states that we have been given a string, okay, of moves, and it consists of l, r, and underscore. So l represents the left hand side of the origin, from the origin. R represents the right hand side from the origin, and if you have an underscore, you can either move to left or move to right. Okay, so it is here. So if it is l, we have to go to left. If it is r, we have to go to right. If it is an underscore, what we have to do, there are two options: we can either go to left or either go to right. Okay, so imagine that you are on a number line. So if this is the origin, that is 0. So if you're going to left, you represent it as -1, right? And if you're going to right, you represent it as +1. So this is the same logic what I have implemented. And if you have an underscore, you can either go to left and go to right. Okay, so we will have to consider, see, in the case of underscore, we'll have to consider both the cases, that is going to left and going to right. And at the end, we can return what is the maximum point from which we can go from the origin. Okay, so what I've done is I've probably we can probably take two sum values. Okay, sum 1 and sum 2. So what are these sums? These sums are the distances. Okay, so from we can initialize them to be 0 because we are starting from the 0th, that is the origin. And every time there is a l, I can just subtract 1 from both the sums, right? Every time there is a r, I can add +1 in both the sums. But what do I have to do when there is a underscore? So this is the reason why I've taken two sum. So one sum represents when underscore is l, and another sum represents when underscore is r, right? So we can probably do that. So when underscore is -1, I can just do when underscore is there, I can just do -1 from one sum and +1 to one sum, so that both of them represents two other directions. Okay, I'll be showing you the code now. So I've taken two sum, that is sum and sum 1. So every time I have an l, I can just do -1 to that sum. If I have an underscore, I can do -1 to one sum and +1 to one sum. So -1 wala sum represents the left hand side, and right hand side is represented by the other sum. Okay, and we can probably add if there is a r. So I need to return the maximum distance till which I can go. Okay, so this gets accepted. Thank you.